Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest connectivity blockers. First, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn Wi-Fi back on so the phone rescans networks. Next, restart your router and modem to clear transient network issues. Make sure another device can join the same network to isolate the iPhone. Finally, re-enter the Wi-Fi name and password precisely. Passwords are case-sensitive and often fail because of a misplaced symbol. Once done, attempt to join again before moving deeper. If simple reconnects fail, you need targeted actions. Forget the network in settings Wi-Fi, then rejoin to force a fresh handshake. That resolves many SSID credential mismatches. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles and cached IPs. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi and VPNs. Also check the router's DHCP assignments for IP conflicts and try setting DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 on the iPhone to bypass. Finish by ensuring the software layer is current. Update iOS and the router's firmware to fix known bugs that block network joins. If issues persist, back up your iPhone and perform a restore from settings or via Finder/iTunes to eliminate system-level corruption. Make sure to test with a mobile hotspot. If the iPhone joins a hotspot but not your router, the router settings are the culprit, and you should check MAC filtering or client limits. If nothing works, contact Apple or your ISP for hardware-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.